Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can convert our PDF file into Word file or editable file. So let's get started. We already have discussed how we can convert our Microsoft Word document into PDF documents. If you want to refer further, you can visit the third lesson of Microsoft Word complete training in the playlist. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can convert our PDF file into Word file or editable file. I'm going to open the Microsoft Word document first. Here I have Microsoft Word 2019. I'm going to open the blank document. Here we have Microsoft Word 2019 applications. I'm going to restore down these applications. I'm going to place like this one. Here I have a folder, Windows 10 folder. In this folder I have a PDF file, Windows 10 training guide PDF file. I want to convert this PDF file into Word document. So let's see how we are going to convert this one. First you have to drag this file. And you can drop this file in the title bar or ribbon area. So I'm going to click this one. I'm going to drag and drop. So not this document stage area. So we'll drop on this area. So you can see the plus. I'm going to drop here, and you will get a message. We'll minimize this folder. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, now here we have the message box. Tells the Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while, so we'll click OK to convert this PDF file into Word document. Okay, done. Now we can maximize this, and now we can see your PDF file in Microsoft Word document. Now here we can edit this file. Okay, here we have the complete PDF file is converted as Microsoft Word document. So here we can see the headers and footers area as well. So you don't need to do any other further fine tuning, and the text and alignment and pictures alignments are perfect, and you can save enough time in the alignment other editing works. So you can easily convert your PDF documents into Microsoft Word documents if you have Microsoft Word 2019 or 2016 applications. So let's see another method. If you don't have Microsoft Office 2019 or 2016 version, so if you have internet connection, still you have convert your PDF file into Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to open the web browser. The website address is www.ilovepdf.com. So I'm going to hit the enter key. Here we have the website. Here also we can do the same things that we have discussed earlier. And here we have merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, and several tools we have, and we can do all of the commands in one website. Here we have PDF to Word command. I'm going to click here to convert my PDF file into Word file. I'm going to open the folder, Windows 10 folder. I'm going to drag and drop here, and you can find the command here, convert to Word. We'll click the button, and here the file is being uploaded, and upload complete, and now it is being converted. And here you can download your file. I'm going to click this download Word file, and here we have the file. We'll open this Word file. Yes, we'll click this enable editing, and here we have the exactly same file, and here we can see the bulletin points as well. So this is somewhat smart than the earlier method, and here also you can see the header and footer is placed nicely, and the text alignment and picture alignments are perfect, and you don't need to do any other further fine tuning after converting your PDF file into Word documents. So this is another great method. I would like to conclude this video with a final tip as usual. So we'll minimize this one, and we'll go back to the website again, and we'll come down here, and here we have the product. In this product we have I Love PDF desktop. Okay, and here we have I Love PDF mobile, and you can use this software in your mobile devices as well. And here we have I Love PDF desktop. So we are going to download these applications into our desktop, and we are going to use as offline. We are going to click this I love PDF desktop, and here we have take complete control of the tools you need, and here we have free download. You can download for your Mac OS and Windows 64 bits, Windows 32 bits as well. And here I'm using a 64. I'm going to click here and download, and here it is being downloaded. That's fine. Here I have the software. I'm going to double click here to install this software, and here we'll click on this run. I will accept the license. I'll click next. Here I can click this arrow. I can get a brief demo on this particular software. I'm going to close here. Do not show this message again. So we'll click this one. I'm going to make it no. And here on the right side we have all tasks we have nicely designed. And here we have free task out of 5. So you can use only 5 as free. And you have to register for pro account. And here we can click this about, and here we can see the premium features are disabled. So you can click here to PDF to Word. So going to click this one, and here you can drag and drop your PDF file, and here I'm going to open this folder. I'm going to drag this PDF file here, and you can click on this convert to PDF, and it is being converted. Okay, done. And here we have the PDF file. You can open here, and here we have the converted file, converted Microsoft Word file. So in any of these methods you can convert your PDF file into Microsoft Word document. That's all I want to discuss in this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be get notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.